Scene 1, take. Well, we're on auto takes now. Winner fidget spinner behind the scenes. Liam, tell us some information.
Some information? Well, we plan to do like a reverse time lapse of me walking to the shop. Well, not the shop.
Why can't we film
next to the shop?
Why can't we film this particular bit?
Because of common connotations with cameras.
Yeah, we're near a school right now, so we're just trying not to get the school in the shot.
We're trying not to film the kiddies, we're trying to film the real action.
Yeah.
Which is me.
Yeah.
Not to be too braggy or anything like that.
And there's a guy up here, and once he's gone past, we're going to do the actual shot again.
Yeah.
So, BRB. Just keep going, do arm stuff too. Look at Richard's ringing me anyway.
I'm freaking done. You can find something in there.
Winner fidget spinner behind the scenes. Richard, what are we doing?
Cutscene
things, yeah.
Film.
Yeah. Character screens. We're doing character screens for Richard. We've just done the one with Liam. He's gone home now for the day. He's done. Richard, describe your character to me.
A predator of the sexual abuse.
I mean, you know, he's just going to be credited as criminal, but hey, if Richard says he's a sex offender, then he's a sex offender.
He's a shuffle.
This is winner fidget spinner behind the scenes for today. Goodbye.
Oh my god, I've never been here before.
Location scouting. This is definitely the first time that we've ever been to this alleyway. I think it'd be really good for the shot, and it could work really well at night. And yeah, never been here before. Do you want to do that sex one that you just did?
No, I won't do that.
Too late, it's already on camera.
No, you can't use that.
Okay, and that ends this recording session for winner fidget spinner. Thank you, Richard, for being here. I appreciate it as always. And that was your final scene ever in the film.
I want to be an actor, mate.
Nah, well, maybe in a different production. Any last words? How's the shoot been for you?
These nuts.
Richard, let your eyes be following him. Oh, that was pretty good. Liam, how's the experience?
Oh my god!
I'll cut that out. So, Liam, tell me how the experience has been. What has happened to us?
Well, you know, there's a nice little river here, a nice little stream, and as it turns out, the mud around it is quite slippery.
Yeah, because there were like rubbish crowding it. There was this yellow thing in the water that I moved. It happened there, and I fell in trying to get it, and I got very muddy. Wait, listen to this squelch. That's pure water inside of my shoes. Yep. And yep, same thing happened to Liam. He tried standing on that, his foot landed in there, and he just ran across there, being chased by a dinosaur. Oh god! Oh, it's still a dead bird! Oh,
it was stuck to my foot!
Oh, yep, we found a dead bird too. You know, we could probably use this as a shot. Right, quiet. Okay, so yeah, I think that's it. I think that's a wrap. This was the final scene. Being in the past, we're going to CGI the dinosaurs in. We might have to do one additional scene though when Liam's hair grows back a bit more, but we'll see if we can fix that in editing without having to do it.
Yep.
But yeah, hopefully this is the end. It's been fun.
Yeah. That's all for now.
Yeah.
Hello. I'm right behind the house.
Hey guys, this is winner fidget spinner behind the scenes. Your boy Richard and the mug here. We've kind of just warming his arms up, so we're doing a bit of behind the scenes.
My hands are really cold. This can go in the health and safety hazard things because my little finger stopped working, but it's fine again now. Well, it's not, but I'm warming it up. Liam's here too.
I've had to eat, and I have to eat almost a whole carton of Chinese just to throw on Richard.
Yes, your boy. I'm gonna get some Chinese chucked at me. I might eat a bit while it's flying through air, you know. That free Chinese food, yeah. On set. In this random alley in Bolton, yeah.
It's technically Highgate.
Well, Highgate there, go for. But still in my hometown, yes. And this is out in a bit. I got an injury from
Health hazard.
yeah.
New vlog about that.
Further back. Keep going.
I don't need to be
Yeah, back there. I can make you out, yeah. Yeah, that's alright.
High five. Yeah, we missed, but good enough.
Yeah.
I'd have got like my hand blown off anyway, so hey.
Oh, we're going for a jump high five.
And that's the end of this recording session with a woman watching us from the window. Goodbye everyone. Thank you for doing this with us, even though no one else will hear. Here is a behind the scenes video of me breaking the fidget spinner because we forgot to take it yesterday when Liam filmed. So we're getting a reaction shot today of where he broke it. We got the reaction shot yesterday. Now I have to break it because this is the final part of the film. We've done everything now. So we have no more use for it. So this is one last spin intact. Kiss a dinosaur stamped on it. That's basically it. That's why it's broken. So yeah. But one last spin. There you go. I have these glasses to protect me. Yeah, so here we go. Hopefully I don't break this box. Let me just zoom in for this. It's good. There we go. It's not quite working. I think we're going to need concrete or something to lock it against because this would just bounce it back. Right, we're gonna find some concrete. Be right back. Hi, it's me back again. I'm just going to try it on this wooden floor instead because I don't want to go outside because yeah, it's going to look really weird if my neighbours see me smashing a fidget spinner with a hammer. So, protection on. There we go. What if I'm going to try it with this side. Hey! See, the middle bit came off. Okay, that's good. Now I just need to split it a bit more. I'll just close this door. I mean, my neighbours are not good people anyway, and they're very noisy, so. Okay, the other centre bit came out. There it is now. I just need to split the sides. So. Okay, that's going to be harder to do. It's got a little bit of a crack in it there. Can't really see that though. But yeah, I mean, oh, I just ripped it in half. Okay, then that'll do. I'll try and get this other centre bit because I think that that'll work better. So let me just give this 1 or 2 more whacks and then I'll split it. Okay. Pretty hard to split, but there, it's done. I'll show you the aftermath. There we go. How's that for a shot? And yeah. Oh. Yeah, that's it. Smashed. So now I'm gonna go back to the filming location, the woods from yesterday. And I'm gonna place it in a dinosaur footprint. So.
Oh my god!
No, I was bumping into a bloody bush that time.
Stop jumping off of it, go down with the shit! Right.
Go down. So you told me to fall off?
Yes, rather than like, oh my god, I'm gonna be so bruised, my mum's gonna think that I've been beaten. Right.
I am so
1,
sorry.
2, 3, action.
Oh my god!
No, 3 seconds after I say action.
Okay.
Alright. 1, 2, 3, action. No, you need to be breathing heavily, even when I say 1, 2, 3, action. So be breathing. 1, 2, 3, action.
Oh my god!
Yeah. I understand. Right. So just what you did a minute ago. 1, 2, 3, action.
Oh my god!
I know, you need to not laugh though, I know how hard it is. You're so angry! You're like that kid, like, oh, I don't have time to laugh, I'm too angry. Yes, see you're going red now too, that's good, just keep that anger, you know, get angry. So, 1, be breathing, 1, 2, 3, action.
Oh my god! My voice acting career. Oh no! Oh my god! I'm not buying this!
No, just angry grunts and we need at least 10 seconds of you heavily breathing and then oh my god,
Oh, I can't believe this!
This is not how you were when you were playing it. Just pretend that you're playing it.
Imagine my voice acting.
Wait, get your controller so you can hear the buttons pressing too.
Oh, it's gonna be difficult.
It will just keep pressing like the same 2 buttons over and over again. Yeah.
What's happening? What? This is a bit unfair, isn't it?
Try and get spotted and die. Fight back a little bit, not much. Do it so that you can get kill. Okay, I'm gonna try.
How do I attack?
I wanna be the very best, like no one ever was. To catch them.
Stop. Just stop it.
It blew shot me. There. He's dead. Off it we go. Oh crap, no!
What?
Why did I really want to die this way.
Why did you turn around? That was good, we could have used that. Oh my god.
Noises while playing games, I actually do. Ooh, let's go in the forest, lads. Oh, what will we found? Some drowners, I hope. Oh crap, how do Run through a bloody... No, you can't. Oh, that's sad. Ooh. Oh, look, there's some deers. Let's go get them. Let's see where they're going to lead me. Ooh, no, nowhere because they're very slow. Oh, that's sad.
Sound like Trump.
Don't worry, lad.
Sad.
That's sad.
These are fake news.
Ooh, ooh, there's some bad guys around. Oh, crap. Ooh. Bandits. Come hither. Oh, crap. Oh. Oh, I chopped his head off. Oh.
Don't wait, you need to die. Well, it's too late now because I've spoken. You need to let yourself get killed and then like blame
I'll probably
after.
No, I need to pretend I'm actually alright. Look. Oh crap. Oh no. Oh yeah. Yeah. Oh what? Come on. No. Oh my god, now he has a bad shot. Oh.
God damn it. Okay, now we're recording.
Oh, but today's been a good day for vlogging.
Well, we didn't put a good film. We did all the interior scenes in the bedroom. We did all the game scenes downstairs. I think that this is it. I hope that we don't have to reshoot.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's it. We didn't encounter many problems. It only took us a few hours. Yeah, that's it. Hi Liam.
Hi.
What are we doing here?
Well, we are walking to a little location where there is a blank canvas, and then we're going to take a shot of my face, and then it's going to go on the front cover. Is it?
No, it's for the scene transitions.
Yeah, the
Pardon
scene
me.
transition.
Yeah. Well, we filmed everything else. We did like 2 additional shots today that we meant to do in like November, and it's February now, but we finally did those. And yeah, we're gonna go and do the final shot for the scene transitions, which is Liam's face, which we'll be put inside a fidget spinner. And then we're officially done. You know, we were officially done like 2 weeks ago, but I had to buy a new fidget spinner because I destroyed the other one for these shots. But yeah, we've got everything now. So we're just gonna go and find a blank spot so that we can crop his face out and put it inside the fidget spinner. I mean, the main reason why we're doing this is because we're going to get Taco Bell anyway. But
Yeah.
you know,
2 birds with 1 stone.
yeah. So yeah, that's it. Never heard of these birds. Beautiful, beautiful robin. We're officially done, so
Yay, we've done it. Yeah. It's over.
goodbye forever.
Bye.